Good day and welcome to my channel. Today, I will examine 3 diversified penny stocks with maximum upside potentials. These stocks are positioned for massive gains, and then each could be well over 300% in gain within the next few months. So grab a cuppa, a cup of tea, and then subscribe. A penny stock refers to a small company's shares that typically trade for lower than $5 per share in the States and then lower than £1 in the United Kingdom. Penny stocks are usually considered high-risk investments due to their low price, lack of liquidity, small market capitalization, and then wide bid-ask spread. Perhaps you are thinking, but these stocks appear to be embedded with risk. Well, yes, they do appear similarly as risk asset. Nonetheless, they attract high rewards. And then if you ask me how you can go about picking the best or top penny stocks, then stay with me. I will say a reliable strategy is to look for key metrics like a business moat, competitive advantage, and above all, build a diversified penny stock portfolio for maximum gains. So in this presentation, I have carefully selected 3 diversified penny stocks. In these categories are software AI, EV, which is electric vehicle, and pharmaceuticals. Again, based on the metrics mentioned earlier. Okay, the first on my list is Innovo. This company uses software and AI technology to provide an enhanced marketing technology, which means they have a unique business model. Besides, the company has also developed the Innovo Intent Key, a patent machine learning technology. Again, this tech has positioned the company with a unique and robust advantage. So, you can say a robust and competitive advantage over its contemporaries. So, how does it work? Okay, I think you would like to ask me. In that case, stay with me. You see, the Intent Key scale and cross-media capabilities allow you to expand audiences beyond the walled gardens, efficiently reaching and engaging a specific audience. And this tech is now being used by diverse marketing agencies who have now embraced the technology. And then, given the recent development, the marketing technology based on AI technology is now gaining momentum every day. So, this company stock is in the best position to skyrocket. Now, let us take a look at the financials. Well, let's look at third quarter ending September 30th, 2020. Let's quickly look at what we have achieved. They have achieved with the intent. The intent key revenue year over year for the third quarter and the 9-month periods increased 16% and 16.5% respectively. Sequentially, intent key revenue grew by 53.4% and second quarter to third quarter. Again, read this. Gross profit for the 3 and 9 months ended September 30th, 2020 total 7.6 million. And then intent key gross margin were approximately 48.9% in the current quarter as compared to 28.6% in the prior year. Gross profit within the quarter was up 98.5% year over year. Please take your time, read it, and then let us have a look at the chart of this company. Well, what do we have here? We have it as presently as $1.07. Well, I must say the stock didn't do well initially, But what do we have in 2021? We see the candlestick turn bullish, and then the 20 moving average over the 50 moving average sloping, on the upward trend in that sequence. What does it mean? Hallelujah, this stock is going to skyrocket. So, in my opinion, buy this penny stock now, which could turn to well over 300% gains. Okay, the next is Tantech Bamboo Technology, a leading high-tech enterprise specializing in the R&D, manufacturing, and sales of bamboo charcoal products for industrial energy applications and household cooking, eating, purification, agricultural, and cleaning uses. And then, listen to this, in 2017, Tantech acquired a controlling equity interest in Zuhu E-Motors, which became known as Shanxi Automobile in 2019. And then it began its business in electric vehicles, manufacturing, and sales. Did you see what I see here? Okay, let me tell you just in case. You see, the company business mode is very diverse across multiple sectors. Okay, wait for more to come. You will be amazed. In the recent development, on December 1st, 2020, Tantech announced the launch of its newest highly innovative driverless and autonomous street sweeper. Perhaps you want to know why this EV street sweeper is unique. No worries, I got your back. Shanghai Automobile Innovative Driverless and Autonomous Street Sweepers are designed for quieter operation and improved cleaning performance, with the ability to reduce or eliminate the 7 to 8 humans required for typical sweeper vehicles operations. Besides, the sweepers have two primary operating modes: cleaning and litter collecting, and then can be used for 10 hours at a time or until full. The multi-patent vehicles will come with 1 year warranties. Again, I will say this innovation is unique and revolution, if you like. Consequently, it has positioned Tantech with a very unique competitive advantage. Again, very recently, the company, Tantech Holdings, received 20 million in electric van and bus sales order, and I quote, the date was September 21, a leading clean energy company in China announced today that its 70% owned subsidiary, Zuhu E-Motors company, has signed sales contract worth approximately 20 million, which is 128.8 million RMB for its electric vans and buses, end quote. All right, given all this development, as compared to the price at just $1.86, I think you will agree with me that the stock is undervalued for now, and about to turn bullish. We could be looking at 300% gains within months. So, in my opinion, buy the dip of this penny stock now. Okay, the next is on my list is Palantir Technology, a pharmaceutical penny stocks, and the business mode is pharmaceuticals. They are into production of drugs that cures various diseases, and now they have one unique advantage. One unique competitive advantage. Let's take a look. The advantage is thus: the news of the positive result from its phase 2 study of PA9643 in patients with dry eye disease. It's a welcome development. It does look as though this drug could get FDA approval in the state. And then, if you are still not convinced about all this, take a look at some of the top Palantir Tech, institutional holders. We have the likes of Vanguard, 4.12%. We have Acadian Asset Management, 3.09%, and BlackRock, you'll be surprised, and several others. I say this is impressive. And I must say, these people, they must have seen some great potential in this company. And then, presently, have a look at this. I mean, the price is, I mean, I would say, looking at this price at, Valentine price at $1.07. I mean, this is very cheap, I would say, and this is a good buy if you ask me. Well, let's have a look at the chart and see what we can bring out of this. Look at what we have here. Voila. The 50 moving average before now was above the 20 moving average, sloping downward. Now what do we have? It has since changed. What we have in 2021, the 20 moving average is now above the 50 moving average, sloping upwards. With the bullish momentum candlestick, what should we expect? This stock is going to skyrocket. Things have changed for good. Meanwhile, as I said earlier, there are risks and uncertainties embedded in this asset class. So in my opinion, you should only allocate, say, between 5 to 10% of your money in penny stocks. And I strongly recommend my video titled Penny Stocks in United Kingdom and in US. And the second one titled 3 Biotech Penny Stock. You will see these clips at the end of this video. Okay, seriously, this is very serious. I'm taking this serious. This channel needs to get to 500 subscribers, for God's sake. So I'm counting on you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, uncles, brothers, sisters, please subscribe and share. The goal here is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.